friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna get some things done today, trying to get these plants watered a little bit more. Gonna eventually get a little bit of breakfast here, take you along for the day, part of my day anyway. Not too much going on, just a little bit, but I'm trying to get these plants watered as much as I can, keep them hydrated with this heat, although it's cool inside. But I'm gonna go ahead and get some breakfast and get this day started. Do you ever get a craving or a taste for something that you just, until you have it, it doesn't go away? Decided to make some French toast, and I like that bunny bread for this. I bought those. I'm gonna have to put that in the freezer because I can't have this all the time. But for Weight Watchers, it's only like 2 points, I think, per slice of bread. It might be maybe 4 points, 5 points, something like that. I'm not going to add any powdered sugar to it, but I am going to add some sugar-free syrup, which is really good with this. And it's only 1/3 of a cup. So for the sugar-free, the Mrs. Butterworth's, it's only 1 point. So not too bad. And it'll be a while before I have anything else to eat later. So this works out for me for today. And I'm going to definitely enjoy it. And of course, today is another scorching day. 104 degrees outside, which I think a lot of people are dealing with the heat, especially during the summertime. But the humidity is really what causes us to get so hot. But I need to run to Walmart and I have to get a few things, so I just thought I would take you with me.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes. Until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder.
And I did get some Miracle Grow potting mix for some plants. I still need to go to Home Depot to do that. I did not have a chance to do that today. So, but this I'm just going to put on my deck and deal with this later. And I did get two 12 packs of the Zero Sugar 7-Up. Also, the Rachel Ray Nutrish dog food for 2 dogs, and some cat chow, Purina cat chow for my cat that's inside. And I also got, I just thought I would share this as I'm going in, just be a little bit easier. Instead of putting it all out on the table, but some Healthy Choice Simply Grilled Marsala, chicken marsala. These are really low in points. Also some beef merlot. And this one's the grilled basil chicken, so really like those. And I did get 3 bags of the premium romaine lettuce, July 14th and the 15th. So I got 3 of those. Those will last me a little bit. Also got this move over butter. I usually get the plant butter, but this one's lower in points. A dozen of eggs, some bananas, some Stouffer's. This is the family size meatloaf. My husband will have this for 2 meals. Also got some zinnia plant. I only had really one nice one. And some basil. So I needed some more basil. I got some Smithfield spare ribs. This was $10.19 for, I guess, about almost 5 pounds. And I was looking for the St. Louis ribs. They didn't have them, so I just got these. I wanted to put them in a crock, well, not the crock pot, but the Instant Pot. I have a recipe for that, and I'll leave that link down below of what I've done before. And also, this was the baby back ribs. These were $15.70, which, yeah, I don't like that price. But this, if they would have had another pack of these, I would have gotten those. So I got oranges. I love cold oranges. Great treat for me. Some headache relief, and I have 2 boxes of those. It's like Excedrin, and I keep those on hand because I cannot get these out here for the price. So I make sure I always pick up an extra box when I go. Some sandwich bags, some freezer quart-size bags, some Crest toothpaste, the antibacterial hand wipes. I like to keep these in my purse, and some Edge shaving cream for my husband. Dawn dishwashing liquid. I love this one because it really does get a lot of dishes clean. And also the other one, trying to think, Pro Wash, I think it is. The Dawn one is really good too. Also, this is Olay bath wash. I like that one. Some more premium protein for my coffee. That's the cafe latte. This one's really good. I've been enjoying that. My husband takes these to work. These are granola bars, chocolate chip, and this is the junkless one. This is a cinnamon roll. So they're supposed to be really healthy. And I needed to get some more sugar-free coleslaw. I've been on a coleslaw kick. So I got some more of that, and the sugar-free poppy seed dressing. Also, just some makeup, some chapstick, some cinnamon supplements, and some ginger root. I got some more of this. I've been going through that also for my headaches. And I did get a traditional rotisserie chicken. Simple, easy. I don't have to come home tonight and cook this, so that was great. Just something real quick and easy. Also, some instant grits, the butter ones. I love these for my mornings. It's just something real quick to make. With some Contadina tomato paste, the roasted garlic, and then just 2 regular tomato paste. Also, I love this for my coffee. It's just an alternative. It doesn't, really have any points in it for the amount I use in my coffee. So I use this one as well. And this is a tie out for my dog. We have acres, not necessarily, I don't want to say a yard. So it's just too many. It's too much to completely fence everything in. We have a lot of bushes and things that kind of is on the perimeter of the property. So for safety reasons, we have to use this if we put him outside and we come back inside, that kind of thing. Otherwise, he's on a leash or something when we go out there. But this gives him plenty of room to run and play. He has no idea that this is even on him. He's just one of those type dogs. But he's an inside dog, and he doesn't like the heat either. So he's not out there very long. Some Zevo flying insect trap. I got 2 refills. This one, I already bought the light, the little cartridge and everything. These are just the refills. But Stephanie at Still Single, Stephanie, she had bought this and showed it in one of her hauls, and that's around the time I bought mine. It works really good. I really do like this. For fruit flies and things like that, perfect. If you have fruit flies, this will help, believe me. Now, if you're having some ant issues in your backyard or anything, this Amdro Fire Ant Bait is great for that. Kills the queen, it destroys the mound. This is the only brand we'll use. We've used others years and years and years ago, but for years we've been using the Amdro. Once we found this, it is pricey. It's about $25 for 2 pounds, but you don't have to use a whole ton of it, you know, on each mound. So it does work. It kills them fast, and like I said, if you want to keep the ant population down around your home, this is the brand to try. And the last thing is just some Bounty paper towels. And that is everything that I picked up at Walmart. I did not put prices or anything on it, just because it's not my typical grocery haul or anything. Just kind of showing you just some of the things I picked up today. But now I'm going to go ahead and put everything away. Like I said, getting groceries, I don't know if people realize, it's a job. You have to go there, you have to put everything in the cart, put it on the conveyor belt, you know, load it back up into your car, take it out of your car when you get home, and put it away. So, grocery shopping is not one of my favorite things to do, and especially when the prices are not where you want them to be. But I'm going to go ahead and put these things away, and I will be back in just a little bit. And I realized I had these green tomatoes that I need to fry up before they turn pink or red, because then you can't use them anymore for that. And I started noticing when I cut it open that they were starting to get red on the inside, so I really did need to use these up, because the texture won't be there for frying anymore once you get that. But the outside was green, that wasn't an issue. But once they start turning pink on the outside, you don't want to fry them anymore. But I'm using this Whistle Stop batter, and this is really great for fried green tomatoes. And it is from, I guess, the Fried Green Tomatoes movie. It's in the movie. But the book was first, and that was written by Fannie Flagg. So if you're about my age, and I'm 53, you would know who that is. She wrote the book first, and then came the movie. So the book, I believe, was written in 87, and I think the movie came out in 91, something like that. So it's a really simple and easy thing to make. You just need about 4 medium or so green tomatoes, and the batter, and you add 1 egg to it, to 1 cup of water, to 1 to 1/4 cup of water, and that's it. And you do have to fry it in oil, so it's not Weight Watchers friendly as far as that goes. But today was one of those days. I'm just kind of, you know, using points I've had from the days before, so that's okay. But this is really simple and easy to make, and really delicious. So you can also use this for eggplant, onion ring, zucchini, and anything else that you want to fry. So we really enjoy this. You do need to put a little bit of salt on it afterwards. Just like anything you fry, you want to add a little salt. It enhances the flavor. But all I did was just cut those up and kind of little thick slices, added it to the batter, and then you want to immediately drop it into the hot oil. So you definitely have to have a hot oil for this. And then I just took a tray that has like a cookie type sheet on top to put this on when they come out, because you don't want to put it on a paper towel because they'll get soggy. But you want to just cook them until they get golden brown, and these were really, really delicious. Like I said, not diet friendly as far as that goes with Weight Watchers, but sometimes I have points that I use for days like this that I've, you know, saved up during the week, and I will use those just like I did with the French toast that I had in the morning. But if you can find this and get it, it's really good. Really do enjoy it. and I think that you would too. It's something that this is a treat, and we don't do this often, probably once a year. So these we really did enjoy. Just a nice little treat to have, and if you find some green tomatoes, you might want to do that. And if you can't find this mix, just some flour and some cornmeal would work with some salt and pepper. And that's going to be it for this video, but I hope that you enjoyed it. Not very much for this day in the life, but if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in seeing more like it, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell, and that will notify you when I post new videos. I hope everyone has a blessed day. God bless y'all.